This is the Italian sausage. I went ahead and I put jerk seasoning on it. Let me show you guys the jerk seasoning because it's one of my viewers and subscribers. He started his own brand of jerk seasoning, and because he watches me, he sent me a sample and said must try it. So Jack's Blend rubs and seasoning, and this is a new one. He has a whole lot of American style, different style blends from different places. But we spoke. It's a good thing about it is that before he actually went ahead and made this, he linked to me and he asked me about jerk, and we talk a little bit, and and I told him some of the stuff that I use, and sent me both this one, which is the regular, and the hot and spicy. And so I decided to utilize it. I'm a seminar, make the man stay so long, I know. Ah, see there? Your Italian link. Make it say Italian to make it sound like a hottish, like nice.
Italian
and thing. Never take a picture with Jack's Blend to put on the Instagram.
And Brother Joe, you might have missed it. This is what we use to season the sausages. They're jerked. Jack's Blend, Jamaican jerk, rub and seasoning.